Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let's jump right in. So in this video, we're going to create some UI text for our scoring system. We're just going to display our score at the top. First things first, let's create a new TextMeshPro object. And for that, we're going to have to import TextMeshPro. What TextMeshPro does better than any regular UI text is that it retains its high quality even when it's scaled up. You can have it scaled as big as you want, and it'll maintain great resolution. Now I'm going to go to the anchor point and alt-click and hit the top left corner. This will move our anchor point for the text to the top. Then, to make the dimensions fit the whole screen, I'll shift-click the blue arrows on the bottom right. Now, if we go to the left, we want it to be placed in the middle. So if you're creating in 1920 by 1080 resolution, I'll set the position to 1920 divided by 2, which will put it in the middle, and then offset it by 200, so minus 200. Then, I'll duplicate it, and move the other one plus 200 back to the center, and then plus 200 for the offset. And there we go, some visually appealing, evenly spaced scores. So now, let's go to the Score Manager script. Let's add some UI function. First things first, we'll import TextMeshPro, so type using TMPro at the top. Then we'll declare a public TextMeshPro UGUI variable, E1 score text, which will allow us to edit TextMeshPro text. And then we'll copy that for P2. Easy. So now, in the update function, we're going to constantly be checking for the score. E1 score text.text equals E1 score dot to string, because it has to be a string. And since that's a method, let's include some parentheses. And that'll make the score appear. So copy P1 and change everything to P2. Now let's create a little test. If I push T, then P1 score will go up. And then if I push R, P2 score will rise. It's a good way to test it. So now, just drag the UI onto the script, push play, and there we go. Looks like it's updating. Ladies and gentlemen, we have ourselves a score system. And that's all for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and check out the next one, our last one, where we'll handle a second player input. This has been an excellent journey. Thanks. Bye.